Hi guys, welcome back. We had a rather slow start this morning and only left Rooiputs camp at 6 a.m. The road was quite quiet, and before we knew it, we've reached Melkvlei, where we enjoyed a delicious breakfast. With breakfast behind us, we headed back to camp. As we arrived at Kij Kij Dam, fortune smiled on us. Two cheetahs, their full bellies suggesting a recent meal, were calmly drinking at the waterhole. It was a magnificent sight and one we certainly hadn't expected. One of the cheetahs started moving off, while the other lingered at the waterhole, taking a few more drinks before following. With the day warming up quickly, we left them resting peacefully in the shade. On our way for a cool-off swim at Twee Rivieren, we were treated to another cheetah sighting, resting comfortably in the shade, away from the midday heat. The barn owl family was still present, peering out from their home within the massive sociable weaver's nest. Back at Kij Kij Dam, a white stork carefully patrolled the water edge. The cheetahs were still in the area, not far from where we had left them that morning. To our surprise, however, there were not 2 but 3 cheetahs together, a wonderful bonus to an already memorable sighting. As we sat quietly with the cheetahs, our attention was drawn to a small piece of rainbow in the far distance. As the afternoon drew to a close, it was time to say goodbye to the cheetahs. Although we could have watched them for much longer, we still had to make our way back to Rooiputs camp before nightfall. With one last look at these magnificent cats, we continue on our journey, grateful for yet another unforgettable Kalahari sighting. Thanks for watching and joining us on another unforgettable day in the Kalahari. Tomorrow we make our way back to Nosop for a 3-night stay, and we're looking forward to seeing what surprises awaits us there. Until then, take care, and we'll see you in the next episode.